In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your tax documents from TurboTax step by step. Let's dive in and make this process as simple and straightforward as possible. To start, you'll need to navigate to the official TurboTax website. This is your go-to place for filing taxes online easily and accessing your important tax documents. Open your preferred web browser and type in TurboTax's web address, or simply search for TurboTax to find the official site. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right hand corner. You'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. If you're not signed in already, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Make sure to have your username and password handy. If you encounter any issues logging in, TurboTax offers recovery options, so no need to worry about forgetting your credentials. Now that you're signed in, you'll be directed to the TurboTax homepage. Here you'll find various options and features provided by TurboTax. Our focus today is on accessing your past tax returns, so let's move on to the next step. Locate the TurboTax Free Edition 2024 option. Now, while the name suggests it's centered around the free edition, this area also serves as a central hub for your account, where all your past filings are stored, regardless of the edition you used. After accessing the free edition area, you should look for the link or section that mentions your tax returns and documents. It might be tucked away amidst other options, but it's crucial for finding the documents we need. Click on this link and you'll be taken to a page where all your past tax returns are neatly organized. This section lists your past filings by year, and it's here where you can select the specific year for which you need documents. Clicking on a particular year will give you access to specific documents such as your tax return transcript, any W-2 forms, and other pertinent files you might need for reference or verification purposes. If you need to save or print documents, clicking on the download option usually available beside each form will give you access to your documents in PDF format. Remember to save them securely on your device or print them out for physical records if you prefer hard copies. Finally, once you have all the needed documents, make sure to log out of your TurboTax account to ensure your information remains secure, especially if you're using a public or shared computer. And that's it, you've successfully accessed your tax documents from TurboTax. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in navigating through TurboTax to retrieve your tax documents. Happy filing!